Hi champ, how are you doing? So let's start the class with a very interesting question. So let's say champ, we have two scientists and both of them are discussing a very interesting problem. The scientist one says the temperature of Manali is 10 degree less than twice the temperature of Simla. And whereas the scientist 2 is saying that the 3 times the temperature of Simla and the 4 times the temperature of Manali sums up to 4 degree. So can we find out the temperature of Simla and Manali with the help of these two information? Let's figure it out. So champ, welcome into class, and in today's class we are going to discuss about the simultaneous pair of linear equation. So in this class we will discuss the graphical representation and the solution of two linear equations. Then we will see about the intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines. So let's get start champ with the graphical representation. So first of all, the problem which we had, right? So let's see two information one by one. But first of all, let's try to assume the temperature of Simla is X degrees Celsius, whereas the temperature at Manali is what? Y degrees Celsius. Now let's try to write these information in the form of the equation. So the equation one, the information one is saying the temperature of Manali, right, Y is equal to 10 degree less than the 2 times temperature of Simla. 2 times temperature of Simla. Temperature of Manali is 10 degree less 2 times temperature of Simla. So I got one equation in two variables, which is a linear equation also. Yes. Second information is saying that 3 times the temperature of Simla, 3 times the temperature of Simla, and the 4 times temperature of Manali sum up to 4 degree. Right? The sum of these two temperatures is 4 degree. So I got two equation, two variable. So now how to find the solution of these? Let's figure it out. Okay, champ. So let's say I got these two equations with the help of given two information. Now we can see these two equations are of same two variables x and y. Yes, so these are known as pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, very good. Or we can say the simultaneous pair of linear equation in two variables, both are the same thing. Okay, champ? Okay, now champ, let's see the graphical representation of the same. So champ, we have two linear equation and we know that how to represent any linear equation on the graph, right? So one by one we will represent each equation, right? So champ, the first equation, we will write y in the form of x. Then we will take 4 random value of x, any value which you want to take, you can take any value. So I have taken these 4 values. So with respect to every value of x, we will get a particular value of y. So now we have a 4 point and we can represent these 4 points on the graph, right champ? So one by one, we can represent all these 4 points, right champ? Now, when we will join these 4 points on the graph, so we will get a straight line, and this straight line is representing this particular linear equation. Okay, now let's talk about the second one. Again the same process. First write y in the form of x, right? After that simple take x and y and take 4 random value of x. We have taken 4 random value of x. Now with respect to every value of x, find the value of y from the above equation. Again you got 4 points, right? Represent these 4 points on the graph. You will again get a straight line. So now we can see we have drawn the graph of both the equation, right champ? Very good. So now let's see the solution of the pair of linear equation. Okay champ, so till now we have seen that how to draw the graph of the linear equation. Now the common point, the point which satisfy both the lines, this common point, right champ? This point is 4 comma minus 2. So 4 comma minus 2 are the value of x and y which is satisfying both the equation. You can check it. So the value of x and y, which is satisfying both the equation, is nothing but the solution of pair of linear equation in two variables. Very easy, right, champ? Champ, we can say that coordinate of intersection point is what? 4, -2, which is also, from that we can also say that value of x is 4. So the temperature of Simla is what? 4 degrees Celsius. And temperature at Manali is what? -2 degrees Celsius. And that's how we can solve the word problem also. Okay, very good. Now, champ, let's talk about the intersecting lines. So, champ, we have seen that such lines which are getting intersect at one point, okay, they have exactly one and unique solution. So the lines which intersects at only at one point and has the unique solution are known as the intersecting lines. Okay. Now, champ, one question for you to think about. Now, champ, we have seen graphically that a pair of linear equation in two variables can have unique solution. But are there any other case? That means, can the pair of linear equation can have zero solution? Can have more than one solution? Let's figure it out. Champ, now let's talk about the parallel lines. Okay. Champ, let's say again we have two lines, right? We have two linear equations. So now we know that how to draw the graph, right? Now we are champion to draw the graph, bache. So now, champ, again we will take some value of x, we will find some value of y, right? We will simply represent the points, we will join those points, we will get the line. Same for the second. We have the line. First we will write y in the form of x, then we will take some random points, we will find x and y, we will represent those points, right, champ? We will represent those points, and when we will join those points, we will get another line. Now, champ, try to see. These two lines are never getting intersected, right? These two lines are not getting intersected at any point. If there is no point of intersection, there is no common point. That means what? So, champ, we can see, right? These two lines are nothing but the parallel lines. Parallel lines means what? That these lines are not going to intersect at any point. So that is why the parallel lines has no solution. I hope it is clear. Very easy, right? Okay. So now, champ, let's talk about the coincident lines. So again, champ, we have seen in the case of parallel lines, that parallel lines does not have any solution. So now, champ, let's see the case where we will have the infinite many solution. So, champ, let's say we have these two lines. Now let's again try to draw the graph of both the linear equation. Again, the same process. We will write y in the form of x, right? Then we will take some random value. Then we will represent these points on the graph, right? We got 2 points. Join these 2 points. I will get a straight line. Same for the second. Again, same for the second, bache, right? Y in the form of x, then again take the value of x and y randomly, right? And represent these points on the graph. Again, you get 2 points. Join these 2 points, you will get a straight line. Now try to see, bache. These two lines are getting overlapped, right? These two lines are coincident, or we can say getting overlapped. That is why if these two lines are getting overlapped, right, champ? So we can say there will be an infinite common points. These two lines will have infinite common points, and that is why the coincident line has the infinitely many solutions. I hope it is very clear, right? We can see the infinite number of points are common. That is why the coincident lines has infinitely many solutions. Okay. So now, champ, let's summarize our class. So we have seen in this class that intersecting point is called as the solution of the pair of linear equation, right? Whatever is the intersection point, that will be the solution of the pair of linear equation. So now, champ, we have seen that parallel lines has no solution. Why? Because they are not going to meet ever, right? We have seen the coincident line has the infinitely many solution because there are infinite common point between the coincident line. So I hope it is clear to you. Okay, a very simple concept. So I hope you will practice more and you enjoy the class. So that's about this class. Be curious and be safe.